Before starting, these cases purchase link is available in the description below. Spigen La Manon classy case for the Galaxy S10 series. It is inspired by the chic and confident lifestyle of Parisians. La Manon seeks to represent the spirit through its product. Every corner is guarded with Spigen patented air cushion technology, which is shock absorbent in nature to provide everyday drop protection, while edges are raised to protect the screen and camera. La Manon's brand concept embodies the intrinsic and extrinsic attitude and style of Parisian. The chic and sleek design of the case is reflected by striped texture with gold logo plate. Slim design with minimal pattern retains portability, perfect grip and fingerprint resistance. Flexible and lightweight TPU layer, with raised edges protects camera lens and added screen. Precise cutouts with tactile buttons for quick access all around. Designed by Spigen in California, USA. Made in South Korea.